YouTube? It's your girl Chantel Eloise coming at you with another video. And yes, today is a makeup video. I wanted to play with some makeup and just kind of get a little beautified, because you know we be sitting in the house and I don't really be putting on makeup all the time. So every time I do film with you guys. So I will be playing with these two palettes today. The Queen Lies in All of Us Eloise palette, and my Beauty Bakerie Breakfast in Bed palette, and just creating a little look. And just I'm going to talk with you guys and let's just have some fun. I'm going to start by priming my eyes using my Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer, which I'm really loving this, and it's by Elizabeth Mott. It's a really good primer. It really holds the shadows all day. At first I thought it was going to be really greasy and so forth, but it is not. It really does hold and works really well. So how are you guys doing? How's everybody's December starting off? Are we in the holiday spirits? I know I am. I'm feeling really just in a really great mood and just in a really good place right now. 2020 has been just really crazy for all of us, some more than others. But yeah, so I'm going to take this BH Cosmetics 101 brush, and I'm going to go into my Breakfast in Bed palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Yawning, which is up here. And I'm just going to take a little bit of that. But yeah, I'm really in great spirits. And so we already got the tree and everything up, and I'm just ready to just enjoy the holidays with my kids. I'm glad that we're working from home, so I can really enjoy my kids at this time. And my kids are 11 and 13. One's going to be 12, one's going to be 14 soon. So it's a really good stage to kind of like be at home with them, but I can still get my work done and just kind of enjoy my children. So I'm really excited about that. But I'm just putting this in my crease area and just kind of, you know, getting that nice and smoked out. Nothing too crazy, y'all know. But yeah, have you guys got your Christmas shopping done? What is going on? I know I got my Christmas shopping, most of it done. We're waiting on stuff to come, so we'll see. We will see. And so now I'm going to take, what brush is this? This is a Morphe brush, and it doesn't have a number or anything, but it's like a flatter brush, as you can see. And I'm going to take my Eloise Queen palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Queen. But yeah, I'm really in the holiday spirits. We've been decorating, which I usually just decorate the inside of the house, but I've been decorating the outside of the house too. So I just really been in the holiday spirits. So, oh, this Queen shade is really pretty. Just gonna get that all on my lid over here. And I'm going to add another color to brighten it up. But yeah, I'm liking this a lot. And the shimmer shade is coming out pretty good using a brush, which we all know sometimes they don't come out that pigmented or come out that well at all with a brush. But this one is coming out really good. So I'm pleased with that. Just want to make sure everything is nice. Oh, that's pretty. I'm going to go with a different color that I normally wouldn't go in my inner corner. So we're going to see how this look turns out. But I'm just taking that Queen shade again, and I'm doing the same thing on this eye that I did to my other one, you know. Try to stay symmetrical. Matchy. But yeah, been in the holiday spirits. We'll see how everything goes. And I really enjoy this working from home. And I really hope it, you know, I want things to get back to normal for the rest of America and getting out and being social and all that. But I really hope that we get to stay working from home at my job. That would be really nice if that can continue on as like a permanent thing. But other than that, we need, you know, things to open back up so we can be sociable and just have fun again and go from there. Alright, so I think I got that on there. Nice. Just gonna pack this corner a little more. Alright. I think we're good to go. I'm gonna go back into my Beauty Bakerie palette and go into that shade Yawning that we used in the crease and just kind of make sure everything is nice and smooth. Just like a nice little sweep, nothing too much. But yeah, I'm really excited and just in all things. Alright, so next up is I'm gonna go into the shade Powerful, which is this really pretty light blue shade. And it's like a light blue lavender shade, and put this in the inner corner. I wanted to play around with some color as well. Keep it nice and subtle, but kind of fun at the same time, you know? Oh yeah. I'm just chilling in the house today. Nothing too much. I want to make some hot chocolate, maybe a roast or something. You know, just something nice and warm and just chill out. There we go. I'm going to go back into that Queen shade and just kind of make sure it's all blending in with each other, you know. You want it to be nice and seamless. You don't want to really... Alright. That one drugged a little further than I would like it to. Alright. I think that is cute. So now I'm going to line my eyes. Yeah, and I've been doing things different. I've been doing all my own nails lately, and I've just been loving it. So I've been stocking up on supplies, and I'm thinking about doing other people's nails as well, like press-ons, and just, you know, practicing doing acrylic and poly gel, and go from there, because it is really fun. So I'm going to be using my liner, my bonding liner, and Flirty Gurl Lashes, my Flirty Gurl Lashes Luxury Bonding Liner to line my eyes and stick my lashes on today. So as you see, it has a felt tip pen. And I'm going to bring my mirror just a tad bit closer. And I'm just going to line where I'm going to put my lashes at. I'm going to do my wing with a different liner just because this has an adhesive in it and it's tacky. And I don't want my wing to be tacky. I mean, it doesn't do anything to your makeup or anything like that if it's tacky, but just for my personal preference, I would like to change it up. So I went on and lined both of my eyes with my Flirty Gurl lashes, and I just lined the area that my lashes are going to sit. And I'm going to take my Betty Boop times Ipsy liner, and I'm going to do my wing because this black matches the black in my liner, but I need it I just don't, the tackiness doesn't bother your lashes, but I just prefer my wing not to be tacky. So I'm not doing a good job today. Today is like a thicker wing. I mean, it's nice, but it's a little thicker than I intended it to be. Let's get on this side. Alright, so now that's on there. Let me put the lid back on. I'm going to do, let's get all the craziness over there, is take my lashes in Seductive. and pop them on. So I'm going to take my mirror, sorry. And I'm still in frame and you guys can see me. Pop them on. Just like that. Grab my other one. Switch hands so I can see. Pop them on just like that. Boom. All right, you guys. So the lashes are on. Super cute and super easy. Like 1, 2, 3. So now I'm just going to put some gloss on. And I'm going to use my NYX Butter Gloss. And this is in Ginger Snap. And just gloss my lips. And voila, my face is done, y'all. So what I'm going to do is one last step, though. It's almost done, so let me not say it is done. One last step. Do not know where my bullet brush is. My bullet brush is, but I'm going to take this more fine defined brush, and this is from BH Cosmetics. And I'm going to go back into that yawning, and I'm just going to smoke out my lash line down here so it ties the look together. And then I'm going to put on some mascara. Just go on that yawning and just kind of smoke it out down here. Because I usually don't put black liner down there, not that often, every now and then. And then I'm going to go into that powder and tie the look together. At the bottom in the corner. There we go. And then I'm going to go with my Thrive mascara. I'm going to hit these bad boys up so they can be a little bit more defined and pronounced. Don't want them to look super spidery or anything, but definitely want them to be pronounced and defined. Ooh. Alright, and now I'm officially done with my face. This is today's look. I'm going to put my little bang thingies I have out. Probably put these up. I don't know because I'm not feeling them right now. But this is the final look. Super cute. I'm super pleased with it. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with my hair. If I'm going to leave this out or push this back. I don't know. It just kind of like... I think it needs to be refreshened up with some water, huh? But yeah, this is the final look. Super cute, super fun, and I am pleased. I'm really liking this Queen palette, and I like the Breakfast palette. And I mean, look at the look that I got with this using both of those palettes. Amazing. I did not know it was going to come out like this. And yes, I hope that you guys are having an amazing day and an awesome week. I hope that you guys are having a happy holidays, and you know, let's just get into the holiday spirit. Even though we have all these things going on, let's just try to have that same holiday spirit that we would have any other year. So that's all I have for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.